everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. So as promised the other day when I revealed those incredible neon cozy cuddly craft DK yarns from Crochet Society, I also mentioned that I'd got another selection of yarn as well, which again, as I said last time, was kindly gifted to me by Crochet Society, and I'm going to talk you through these beautiful yarns that we've got in this selection now. So I'll just bring one out first of all, just to give you the basic info. So this is the Crochet Society brand's Confection DK. So this is their everyday DK yarn. So I've gone for another rainbow yarn pack. You know, I'm a sucker for a rainbow yarn pack. And these are their 100% acrylic DK. Now, again, you get approximately 210 meters, and it is suggesting the recommended 4mm hook, as you would expect for a DK yarn. So these are 100 grams, and I have got some absolutely beautiful shades, which is going to make an absolutely insanely gorgeous blanket. Now you get two options with this yarn on their website. So the yarn that I'm about to show you now is a selection of 7 yarns, and it is £19 for that yarn pack. However, if you wanted it with the 5 pattern bundle, because you get 5 patterns with the other bundle, then it is £24.99. They are the sale prices, so normally they would be a little bit more expensive, but they are currently on sale. So you can buy it just the yarn, or you can buy the yarn with a 5 pattern pack. So you've got some really good options. So I'm just going to get out these colours. So the first one we've got here is called Parma Violet, obviously a very beautiful purple. We've then got this lovely shade of blue, and this one is a little deciduous. This one is called Ice Pop. I had an Ice Pop the other day actually. Anyway, there we go. So this is Ice Pop. And then we've got this incredible, almost like candy flossy type one, and this one is called, oh, you see, a yarn always tries to catch me out with this. Now, if I was just saying this at home between me and my family, I'd just say nuggets, but I know that that's not how you say it. So I will just show it to you, and then you can decide how you want to pronounce it yourself, because there you go. And then this was the colour that I found the most intriguing in this pack. It's almost like a coral colour. It's absolutely beautiful, and this is called Watermelon, but it's a definite almost corally, pinky, orangey colour. It's absolutely beautiful. Definitely watermelon-y colour as well, don't get me wrong, but it just really said to me coral. There's someone in our street who's got a car this colour, and I always call it the coral car. Anyway, and then we've got this orange. Again, beautiful bold colours in this, and this one is called Orange Slice, so obviously it's orange. So I'm trying to line these up in the colour fade, the colour anyway. And then we've got a beautifully striking yellow. I really struggle with good yellow yarns. I know that might sound crazy because you see yellow yarns everywhere, but sometimes they're just lemony, which is great if you're doing a pastel blanket, but I've found it quite tricky to find a really good bold yellow. When you're doing quite bold rainbow like these shades are, you don't want to then, well, I don't want to then have to put in a lemon, because I don't feel like it ties quite the same. So the fact that they have included an incredibly bold, bright, strong yellow, absolutely love that. And this is called Limoncello. Again, don't come for me for my pronunciation, it's fine. And then last but not least, we've got a gorgeous, gorgeous green. So please be something easy. There we go, chocolate lime can cope with that. So this is a beautiful green. Now, I've not used these DK yarns before. They feel really nice. They're not silky as much as maybe the Shapey's version of their DK. However, it feels, I don't know how to describe it, it's soft and smooth, like it doesn't feel like it would, you know, it's almost like anti-pilling. I know it probably isn't, but it just has that sort of feel to it. Feels like it would hold up nicely in the wash. That would be a good test actually. So can I zoom out and get all of these shades in one go? No, probably not. So let's try something else. There we go. We'll do it like this instead. I'm trying to move them, but as I'm sure you can see, there is a little paw that keeps trying to come in and steal things. Okay, so those are all the shades we've got. Not the best circle of yarn I've ever made, but it'll do for the video. So like I say, 7 beautiful balls in this yarn pack. I will of course leave links for everything in the description box. And let me know if you do go for this yarn, let me know whether you go for it with the pattern selection as well, because they do look like they are good patterns, so be really interested to see what you think. Again, this yarn was gifted to me. I haven't paid for this yarn. It has been sent for me to try and for me to make something with. So I'm going to get my thinking cap on and really try and make something that shows off these yarns in a worthwhile and worthy way, because they are really beautiful. So again, check the links in the description, check out all of my hundreds of other tutorials if you're wanting to get cracking on a pattern straight away. There is plenty on my channel for you to choose from. But I will see you for another video and another tutorial really, really soon. But thank you as always for watching. And if this yarn survives this attack, then I will see you with this yarn very soon. Bye for now.